So, salutation. Salutation. These are some of the salutations that we use, okay? That you need to know because you're going to be using them. Yeah, because even in English, we tell someone, nice to meet you, see you tomorrow, see you later, goodbye, see you later, nice to meet you, see you soon, okay? So we need to know them. A bientôt. So a bientôt is made of 3 words. It is made of a, bientôt. A has different meanings. Means good, which definitely is read, it is read as bien. Okay? Bien. It is read as bien. Then tôt means early. Okay? Tôt means early. So this is made up of 3 words. A, bien, tôt. So tôt means early. So for you to actually know the meaning of this, you're going to be using this tôt. If you tell someone, see you soon, soon, because at least we know soon is a little early, yeah? So soon. So that is how I used to learn, these things. So a bientôt, see you soon. See you soon. Then I'm gonna write how it is read. So just make sure you write how it's read. It means see you soon. It's like basically saying to good early, to good early, which makes no sense. But it is read as a bientôt. A bientôt. So this is how it's read. Ça va? A bientôt. A bientôt. A bientôt. See you soon. A bientôt. Tôt means early. Tôt means early. Okay? And the opposite of early is late. And late means late is written tard. Late. Okay? And it is read as, we don't read the last one. It's read as tard. 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 Tôt. Tard. Who knows how we write see you tomorrow? So if tomorrow is this. How do we read this? Tomorrow is read as demain. Demain. So see you tomorrow, we say à demain. So basically we read it as à demain. Like I try writing for you how you're supposed to read it, okay? So this is how you are reading it, not how you're writing it. How you're going to pronounce it. À demain. À demain. Demain means tomorrow. 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 Tomorrow, okay? So, demain means tomorrow. À demain. À demain. Thank you. À demain. À demain. À demain. So this means tuonane kesho. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. If you're gonna be seeing someone later, so you tell them à plus tard. You guys remember we said tard means late. So see you later. So basically this means plus means more. So see you later. So you can use this to know late, later, later. Okay? À plus tard. So this is how it's read. À plus tard. I don't want you to forget the R, okay? So you can say à plus tard. I have placed this RH so you don't forget how to pronounce the RH. Ça va? Ça va? À plus tard. À plus tard. So if you're going to see someone later, we say à plus tard. Or there's another way, you say à tout à l'heure. This is kind of long, but I'm going to tell you how you can say it in a short way. Who knows how we can say this in short form? À plus tard and à tout à l'heure, they mean the same thing. You use them in the same context, okay? If you're sure gonna see them later, you can say à tout à l'heure, à tout à l'heure, à tout à l'heure. This is read. They are both used to tell someone, see you later. À tout à l'heure. Just write how it's read next to it so you remember. So if you don't want to say all this, just say à tout, which is really cute. I think it's really cute. So basically just say à tout, à tout, à tout. So if you just met someone, how do we say if you just met someone? At least you guys have an idea. So it is on, chant. So if you're, pardon, if you're in class yesterday, you know how these sounds come along. On, sh, C and H. Pardon les gens, pardon. C and H brings about the sh, okay? On chant. So most of you guys are writing this. But there is an accent here, okay? Here. If you leave it like this, it's gonna sound like enchant. Enchant. So if you put the accent, it's gonna sound as enchanté. We'll have another class where we are learning about the accents, okay? Enchanté. Enchanté. Which is something you'll see mostly in past tenses, okay? You'll be seeing this mostly in past tenses. Like for example, let me write something like to close is to ferme. So if you have close, it is to ferme. But if you want to say I closed, so you just put this accent, it brings it to closed. You have to be really keen with the accents. If you just met someone, it is on, enchanté. Enchanté. So remember to write how it is read, okay? Remember to write how it is read, so when you're revising your notes, you have somewhere to refer to. Enchanté. 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 Michael. Enchanté, Michael. Enchanté. Enchanté, Mike. Enchanté, Nana. Enchanté, Pig. Enchanté, Abby. How do we say goodbye? So goodbye, you say oh. But how is it read? You remember where the R are located, okay? So when you're pronouncing it, you have, because those who are going to pronounce, I'd love to hear the French R. I'd love to hear the French R. Ça va? Okay. So it is read as au revoir. You remember the O and the I. So this is going to bring the wa, okay? So we're going to have something like this. O, re. So this is the sound that is coming, okay? Au revoir. Or other people just say, or other people say au revoir. So I mean, French people are going to be pronouncing it really differently. Because for us, we are saying au revoir, au revoir. Other people are going to say au revoir. Other people are just saying au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Kindly repeat. Au revoir, au revoir, voilà.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
The French R kidogo. Let's retry again. Let's retry.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Voilà. Zain.
Au revoir.
The French R. R. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Kidogo, kidogo, kidogo. R. R. Au revoir. R. So you have, unaisikia huku kwa gorge, unaisikia hapa kwa koo, hapa chini. R. You see how you're giving a kid something to drink and they're like, so that is the sound that comes with the French R. Ça va? I know it's not really cute, but that is okay. Let's try. Let's retry.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Voila. Unasikia hiyo r venye inakuja? Yeah. So it's something that doesn't come like once. So you have to practice it because in the French language, it's always going to get the R. So you can't evite.